Right, here we are going back down on the tram, down from the top of Constitution Hill. Standing on the front of it now. Great view of the harbour. Works on a cable system. One car goes up, other one down, so I'm guessing this one is pulling the other one up, the weight of this one. It's about 780 feet. It was originally done using water as ballast, but it's now electric since 1921 apparently. It was built about 1896 and there was a Luna Park at the top. People used to go up there for entertainment. Just been to attempt to get a meal at the restaurant, but you have to download all sorts of stuff on your phone, QR code and some other app. And yeah, it's just too confusing. Couldn't figure it out. Couldn't figure out how to order the food on the app. So we're just gonna go and grab something, I think, from the local Tesco or something to eat. See what meal deals they got down there. Work out a lot cheaper as well. But yeah, it's a very frustrating process attempting to order food at the restaurant at the top of this Constitution Hill. So we're coming past the other tram. Is it tram or train? So just filming this journey down for those that are interested in seeing it. Looks like the other car is practically empty. I did see one person in there. Ah, there are people in there. That's what these look like from the outside. Hello! And the fat controller is at the bottom of the hill. And they've got a skinny controller at the top because he's not so heavy to pull him up there on this. It's not a long journey, it takes a few minutes, 5 minutes. 780 odd feet, and it costs £5.50 per adult to go up and back down. It's worth it for the view though, and for the nice sort of silence that you get up there. You can just hear waves and nothing else. So it was worthwhile, we enjoyed it. Apart from the attempt to order food at the restaurant. Bit of a bumpy ride, but it's not too bad, you know. This line's been here for like 120 odd years, 125 years. You can also walk up this hill if you've got the energy for it, but we thought we'll try this just as a novelty, see what it's like. Almost at the bottom now. View of the harbour there, fading out in the background. We've got two people controlling this lot down there. I think it's the guy at the top actually, where the motors are. He's controlling the ascent and descent of these cars. There we are. So I'm guessing this building must be about the same sort of era. And here we have arrived at the bottom of the hill.